Hello everyone, my name is Nora. Welcome to Lockdown 101 Recipes, and today I'm very delighted to cook Binod's favorite mustard fish. In other words, we call it Shosher Mach in Bengali and Soriso Macho in Oriya. If you're still wondering who Binod is, just Google him. I'm so expecting Binod to see this video, and of course all my subscribers. If you're too lazy to write comments like very yum, very delicious, so tempting, cannot wait to try, and equally uninteresting words, please just write Binod. I will understand. Moving on, I have taken around 10 to 12 pieces of medium cut rohu fish that we easily order from Farm Fresh app. If you're a non-veg eater and still trying hard to get your non-veg stock during lockdown days, then you must try this app. Before all you food bloggers think that this is a sponsored post, let me stop you right there. It is not. I do not know why I'm making this hand gesture though. If you see this video till the end, you will see me repeating this gesture again and again. Now I'm sprinkling some salt just the way you like to sprinkle on your husband's wound. Just joking. Followed by haldi or turmeric, whatever you want to call it. And then finally sprinkling red chili powder just the way you want to slap it on that damn coronavirus. Leaving any sort of violent behavior behind, let's toss all the ingredients together just like this. This is a hack that you must follow when you're trying to marinate your fish and you do not want yellow nails at the end of the day. Now that we have marinated the fish, it can go straight into the fridge for half an hour to 1 hour. If you're trying to feed a hungry Binod at home, you can keep it for half an hour. While the spices percolate into the fish, we will make preparations for mustard gravy. As you can see, we will need 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 2 to 3 chilies and some water. The other chilies are just for aesthetic look. You can put them into the grinder if you want to take any sort of revenge against your family members. Now time to churn this for 2 to 3 rounds, and then we will get this sort of paste which I am trying hard to put into this bowl. And now we are going to keep this aside. I have now taken out the marinated fish and decorated in this white plate to show you the rich color of marination. Then I am heating up the pan and pouring 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Now you will wonder what an overdose of mustard. Well, as I have told you guys, this is a recipe of mustard fish, and if you do not enjoy the zingy flavor of mustard, then you must not eat fish at all. Alright, moving on. I am frying the marinated fish in medium to high flame until it turns golden brown on both the sides. I am also using a tong to flip this and show off my cooking skills. Time for another show off. I am also tossing the fish just like this to make it look more delectable and stylish. If you're scared of fire, please do not try it at home. Our fish fry is ready now. If you're a fish lover, at this point of time you will enjoy eating hot and crispy fish fry. Alright, without deviating much, I am taking another pan and letting it heat up. As you're standing in the kitchen, cooking and heating up your head, I am going to put 1 teaspoon of mustard oil and let it heat up. Adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and let it cook for some time in oil. Then I am going to add half a cup of water and cover it. Let it sizzle and the spices cook in water for some time. Once done, you can add some more water and boil it further. Now I will add the fried fish one by one to the spice mix in the pan. Let it simmer in low heat. Then I'm going to pour the zingy mustard paste into the gravy and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover it for best results. Add 2 to 3 slit chilies to get the adequate amount of spice in your life and in the curry. Go easy on the chilies if you're feeding a baby Binod at home. Now our beautiful mustard fish curry is ready to be eaten and served. You can eat this with boiled rice or roti. Actually, forget roti, eat it with bhat or boiled rice. You are going to enjoy it so much. Do subscribe to my channel, A Classic Mom, just like Binod did. Also press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any fantastic recipe that I upload every week.